So originally the purpose of this video was to make a mild salsa verde for my friends, specifically Amy and Pearl. Pearl eats spicy food all the time. She's accustomed to it. It's no bother for her. Amy does not. So here is my salsa verde. So as you can see, the tomatillos already come with this layer of skin. So first step is you peel it all off and then you rinse really well with water and make sure you get rid of all that sticky stuff. You don't want your tomatillos to be sticky or else the salsa will not taste good. So make sure you rinse really well. After that, you will cut off the tip or like the little stomp of the jalapenos because you don't want to eat that. You don't want that in your salsa. So you will cut it off before you put it in the boiling water. When your tomatillos and jalapenos look a lighter version of green, or about 10 minutes, you can take them out and put it in the blender. Once the jalapenos and tomatillos are blended, you can add your cilantro and then your pinch of salt or however much you want, and then continue blending.
It's a little spicy. Okay, it's more spicy now, but yeah, I think I like it like how it is, but maybe like a little spicier. I don't know. I like spicy. I'm dipping the other side. I'm getting some cucumber vibes. Okay. Ooh, it is spicy. It is spicy.
I think it has a kick to it.
It has a little. Oh, there it is. It's a little bit watery, but it's a good watery. That's why I said cucumber, because it's like a lot of water. Very refreshing. Can I have some more? You made this? Yeah. It's pretty good. Oh, it's really spicy. It's really spicy, Sandy.
It's not spicy.
Do you have water?
Do you have water? Do you have water?
When the chip enters your mouth with the salsa, it hits you with a little like lime pizzazz. It hits you with a little whoop the bam, and then like you keep chewing, and you get that breading of the chip, and it mixes with the lime to make like a little whoop the bam, and then later on when you're getting ready to digest it, a little spice comes out of nowhere and it's like, whoop, bam, and it's just like, oh. So the salsa was good, I liked it, yeah.